Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal Español con Kaval. Today we are going to fix a very common mistake in Spanish. Something almost every student gets wrong at some point. The difference between muy, mucho and bastante. Maybe you've said tengo mucho dinero. Es mucho bonita. Tengo muy amigos. And you didn't understand why it was wrong. Don't worry. After this video, you will clearly understand when to use muy, when to use mucho, and when to use bastante. And you'll practice with me as well. So let's start. So let's talk about muy first. Muy means very. Now here's the rule, and this is important. We use muy before adjectives and adverbs. Let me repeat that. We use muy with adjectives and adverbs. Ella es muy inteligente. El examen es muy difícil. Estoy muy cansada. Él es muy alto. Corre muy lento. Notice something important. After muy, we describe something. We describe a person, a situation, or an action. And another important rule. Muy never changes. It's always muy. Not muya, it's not muis, it's not muyes. Always and always muy. That's simple, right? Let's move to mucho. Mucho means a lot, much, and many. But here is the key difference. Mucho is used before nouns and it changes depending on gender and number. Let's see. Tengo mucho dinero. Tengo mucha paciencia. Tengo muchos amigos. Tengo muchas ideas. Why does it change? Because it agrees with the noun. Dinero is masculine singular. We use mucho. Paciencia is feminine singular. So we use mucha. Amigos is masculine plural. So we use muchos. And ideas is feminine plural. So we use muchas. So remember, mucho, mucha, muchos, muchas. Now look at this mistake. Can you tell me why is this wrong? Because bonita is an adjective and adjectives need muy. So the correct sentence is es muy bonita. So here is the big difference. Muy before adjectives, mucho before nouns. That's the main separation. Now let's talk about bastante. Bastante means quite, enough, pretty. I'll explain you with examples. Es bastante interesante. Estoy bastante ocupada. Tengo bastante tiempo. Now, here is something interesting. Bastante can behave like both muy and mucho depending on the sentence. If you want to use it before adjectives, it will sound like es bastante bonita. Estoy bastante cansada. It does not change. But before nouns in plural, it changes. For example, tengo bastantes amigos. Hay bastantes problemas. So if we talk about singular, tengo bastante dinero. And if we talk about plural, tengo bastantes libros. Remember, bastante is singular, bastantes is plural. So let's compare all three very clearly. Let's talk about sentence one. She is very intelligent. Ella es muy inteligente. She has a lot of intelligence. Tiene mucha inteligencia. He is quite intelligent. Ella es bastante inteligente. Do you see the difference? Muy equals very. Mucho equals a lot of. Bastante means quite or enough. So let's do another comparison. I have a lot of money. Tengo mucho dinero. I am very happy. Estoy muy feliz. I'm quite happy. Estoy bastante feliz. Now, let's practice together. I'll say the sentence in English, you think, and then I'll give you the answer. I have a lot of homework. Tengo mucha tarea. This movie is very interesting. Esta película es muy interesante. I have quite a few friends. Tengo bastantes amigos. She speaks very fast. Habla muy rápido. There are many problems. Hay muchos problemas. I have enough time. Tengo bastante tiempo. Let's simplify everything one last time. If the next word is an adjective or adverb, use muy. If the next word is a noun, use mucho, mucha, muchos, muchas. And if you mean quite or enough, then you can use bastante. That's it. No confusion anymore. Grammar becomes simple when you understand the structure, not when you memorize random rules. Now, I want you to write in the comments one sentence with muy, one sentence with mucho, and one sentence with bastante. And I'll correct you. Nos vemos en próximo video. Hasta luego.